Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Meg with an update on China weather. Typhoon Bavi weakens after China landfall. Millions remain on alert. Typhoon Bavi weakened to a tropical storm on Sunday, hours after making landfall in eastern China's Xinjiang provinces, but was still bringing days of strong winds and heavy rain to parts of the country. The storm's intensity continued to weaken as it moved northwestward across eastern China into the province of Anhui on Sunday afternoon. According to China's National Weather Center, strong winds and heavy rain are expected to impact many eastern and northeastern Chinese cities on Sunday and Monday. The National Meteorological Center said, adding that heavy to torrential rain was recorded Sunday afternoon on provinces including Anhui. In Xinjiang province, more than 2.2 million people were evacuated due to Bavi. According to state media, the city of Shanghai in Jiangxing evacuated over 2,090,000 people from at-risk areas, while Fujian province evacuated more than 180,000 people. In the coastal city of Jingyong, also Xinjiang province, more than 1,300 trees were toppled, including at least 700 rooftops. In Jiangxi provinces, more than 2.2 million people were evacuated due to Bavi. According to state media, the city of Shanghai in Jiangxing evacuated over 290,000 people from at-risk areas, while Fujian provinces evacuated more than 180,000 people. In the coastal city of Yongxing, also in Xinjiang provinces, more than 1,300 trees were toppled, including at least 700 uprooted, according to state broadcasters CCTV. Shanghai Pudong International Airport and Hangzhou International Airport were expected to cancel around 653 inbound and outbound flights due to Bavi. The official Xinhua news agency said Bavi passed north of Taiwan on Saturday but did not make a direct landfall. Taiwan's fire department said at least 134 people across the island were injured, some sustaining injuries while riding motorcycles or bicycles in strong winds or due to slippery road surfaces. The Meteorological Center said the storm was likely to move in a northwesterly direction while gradually weakening. It is expected to turn northeast over eastern Anhui on Monday before crossing the Shandong Peninsula into the North Yellow Sea on Tuesday, where it is likely to transition into an extratropical cyclone. The Ministry of Water Resources on Sunday upgraded its flood alert to yellow, the third highest level in China's four-tier weather warning system, noting that heavy rainfall could trigger flooding in some rivers, mountains, torrents and urban waterlogging. That's all for now. If you found this report informative, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more breaking weather and disaster news from around the world. Thank you for watching and stay safe.